Yeah! Woo! Coming in hot. Hot off the heels of yet another awesome trip. For the last couple of weeks, guys, I've been out on the road and visiting some customers, showing them some things, tips and tricks, and having a lot of fun. And one of the things that I heard every single time was how amazing our support team is. Now, those are the unsung heroes of our business, right? The sales guys go out, they sell it, they do a great job at finding the people that want to use Radan to help their businesses. But then the support team, they pick it up and they introduce it to them, they help them, they train them, they keep them going, and they get them excited, keep them excited. And I just can't say enough about all the great things I heard this week about our support team. Their response time, their delivery, their professionalism, the knowledge of the product, and just their willingness to make sure that our customers are on the right track. Thank you guys so much. Now, more updates. Oh yeah, this is Mike with the Radan guys. Welcome back to another Casual Friday. Updates. Next week, we're gonna be at 4 trade shows and open houses all across the country, including Canada. And that's where we're gonna start this live update right now. We're gonna be at MMTS, Montreal Technology Show. Our guy Alex is gonna be up there kind of doing some demonstrations and talking to customers, you know, building the hype on May 11th and 12th. Doug and William are gonna be at the Dallas Expo 26 in Dallas, Texas, hosted by Capital Machine on May 12th through the 14th. James and Nicole are gonna be at the Gladtech, Wisconsin, hosted by Gladwin Machine on May 13th and 14th. And I am gonna be at MacTech in Milwaukee on May 13th and 14th as well. We're gonna have such a great time. If you guys are even close to these locations and you wanna see what we can do for you guys as far as your sheet metal nesting, for Radan, for cutting, bending, tube cutting, quoting, the whole gamut, we're there to show you guys, as well as all the awesome machines that these open houses are gonna be demonstrating as well. So that's it kind of for that big update. Another big update, I know, here we go, hand slap, I've been busy. So the tech support style videos have been a little bit lacking, but hopefully you guys have been enjoying all of those shorts in our great 50-year celebration that we have going on all year. Next week, it's gonna be a little bit different though. Next week, I do have quite a bit of tech stuff coming out. And I kind of want to promote this a little bit about is Tech Week. And it's gonna be a lot about our plugins that we have. We've got some cool stuff with auto tooling, some remnant stuff, some DTM2 with Inventor, and then the big one, hopefully we'll get this one put together. We're kind of still thinking about how we're gonna introduce this, but it's an awesome plugin that we have to kind of piggyback off of MRP Essentials called Shop Data. It's gonna be awesome, guys. You're gonna love that one. If I don't get that one next week, when we do roll that one out, do not miss that. So, anyway, I gotta get back out on the road. More customers to see. But hopefully you guys like that one. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're not missing any of this. Next week is gonna be huge. All right, guys, I'll see you guys. On the road. You gotta love it. I certainly do. Take care, guys. We'll see you next week. Yeehaw! Yeah!